In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Clickbank account from here in Nigeria in 2023. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around and let's get on with the video. But before we start, welcome back to the channel MMO 1001. And on this channel, what we do is show you different ways that you can make money online so that you can implement it by yourself and start your online money making journey today. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and let's get on with it. So if you head over to Clickbank, normally, just as I've done, Clickbank, and then you open clickbank.com. That's after a quick Google search. You can see it says grow with confidence, grow your business online. Doesn't have to become. So basically, Clickbank helps affiliate marketers to make money online. And if you clicked on this video, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the whole process of getting the products and then promoting it, basically, so you can be able to make money online. And that's what Clickbank is. It's for affiliate marketers and people who are promoting products on the internet. But how do we get an account? So if you head on over to start here, which is to sign up. Now take for instance you want to sign in as a Nigerian, which is what I'm about to do. You head over here and you look for Nigeria, and as you can tell, there's no Nigeria among the list. If you also head over here to the phone number section and you go up, all the way up, and go over to N, there's just nil. There's no Nigeria. So basically, this is just to prevent Nigerians from signing up on the website, because I'm on their sign up page, which is completely free, by the way. But here is exactly what most people do. Most people head on over to their VPN and then turn it on, and then maybe set it as United States. Alright, then they'll sign up with as a United States citizen or resident, basically, and then buy a Google Voice number and put it here, fill in their first and last name and their email address and the rest, and then create their account. That will not work anymore, because the truth is, immediately you want to process your payment, you might have run into issues. And imagine after promoting all the products and all the affiliates and blah blah blah, and at the end of the day you cannot cash out your money. So it was really pointless, So that is why people encourage people not to use VPN to create their Clickbank account, because maybe one day you sign up mistakenly without it, or they are able to track that you're using a cover VPN, or you're covering your IP address. Your account might get disabled or banned. So the best thing to actually do instead of all of this is to contact a friend or family member, somebody close to you that lives in a country that is accepted by Clickbank, preferably the United States or the United Kingdom, and tell them to sign in with their details and everything. Maybe you give them your email address to use so that you can be able to man everything, but it has to be somebody you trust. Give it to the friend, family, whoever it is, help them sign in for you over there, and then they'll send the login details and they give it to you and everything, and then you'll be able to control the account and you'll be able to start to promote the products and start to get your commissions and make money from Clickbank. That's really the only way that Nigerians get around the system, because you can't say, okay, based on this, the Nigeria, you're not going to do anything about it. Not really. You have to wise up and find a way around the system, really. And that's why it's good to ask friends or family, somebody you can trust, that lives somewhere that is accepted by Clickbank. Tell them to sign up for you. They send in the login details, maybe to your mail or over the phone, and you start to use Clickbank to make money. So that's really it for this video. If you enjoyed it and found value, Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.